Use your farmer's market peaches in this savory summer dish. Grilling the peaches brings out its natural sugars and makes it the perfect salad topping. Hey there, I'm Molly Thompson from What Molly Made. Welcome back to my kitchen where we make good food that makes you feel good too. Today we're making grilled peach salad featuring fresh ingredients like tomatoes, avocado, red onion, and garden basil. Start by grilling the peaches. Add 2 sliced peaches to a medium bowl with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and toss gently to coat. Heat the grill to medium-high and place the peaches evenly on the grill grates and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then carefully flip and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. You'll start to see some of the sweet juices from the peaches seep out of the sides. This is what you want. The heat from the grill releases the natural sugars in the peaches and caramelizes them slightly. While they're cooling, whip up the simple basil vinaigrette. Add a half a cup of avocado oil or olive oil to a jar with 1/4 a cup of apple cider vinegar, 1½ tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2½ tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/3 a cup of chopped basil. Stir or whisk well until all of the ingredients are completely incorporated. Now all we have to do is assemble this gorgeous salad. We used a mix of different greens including spinach, arugula, and butter lettuce. The arugula has a beautiful texture and a peppery flavor that pairs really well with the peaches and the goat cheese. Add all of your greens to a large serving bowl and pour 1/3 of the dressing on top and toss with tongs or 2 forks to coat them fully. Sprinkle sliced onion on top along with 1 diced avocado and 1 cup of sliced cherry tomatoes. Arrange the grilled peaches on top, then crumble goat cheese on top and finish it with chopped pistachios. Drizzle the other half of the dressing on top and serve it right away. You could also hold all the dressing until the end and let guests dress it individually. Salads don't have to be boring, and this is anything but that. The combination of warm peaches and crisp tomatoes make the perfect combination. Plus, the basil vinaigrette is unbelievable. If you want more recipes like this one, hit subscribe, then check out our cucumber tomato avocado salad.